My name is Prophet Tendo. I am a minister and a businesswoman. I serve under Unity of Faith Apostolic Ministry. In business, I'm into makeuping. Yeah, I'm a mobile makeup artist. Wherever I am called with my clients, I am portable. I can move to wherever they want.
How would you handle those to your prophet? That means you go in different areas.
Yeah.
And as well the business.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a minister and I am a businesswoman as well. Because I need to earn a living as well.
True.
Yeah, so I have to do business, not only serving God and wait for manna to fall from heaven. No, it's not hard at all. It's manageable and it's very easy for me.
What do I need to have so that I can also be like you? Because I have to serve God and as well business.
True.
And moreover, business which is not settled in one same premises or place, you have to move, and you move as minister and you move as you do business.
It's all about I'm hardworking. Yeah.
So you plan for your day.
And I plan for my day. I know this time I need to minister. I know this time I need to do business.
Okay.
Yeah.